Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a green graphic eye look for the spring season with Swiss Beauty. We're going to start off with the Swiss Beauty Ultra Black Long Wear Eyeliner and we're going to start by creating a wing. This has a very fine tip, so it's going to be perfect for beginners and it's very easy to create a wing. It gives you a super intense matte finish and it is super long lasting too. So we're going to start by extending the outer corner of the eye and I'm slowly taking that towards the mid area of the eye. Keep it a lot more sharper and I'm keeping it more longer to balance it out with the graphic eyeliner I'll be creating later. So I'm kind of making it much more thicker in the outer corner, that way it fits really well, and I'm slowly going to increase the intensity, that way we don't go overboard. So once we've extended our wing till the middle of the eye, we're going to smoothen out the edges of the liner, and now I'm going to take the line till the inner corner and that way we can define the entire eye. Make sure that the lines which you're taking towards the inner area of the eye are much more thinner than the wing. We're going to fill up any gaps which are there in the outer corner and we're going to smoothen out any of the edges. That way the wing looks like a straight line when my eyes are closed. Moving on to the Swiss Beauty Eye Sparkle Sketch Liner. This is a beautiful metallic green eyeliner which also comes in a pen format that is going to make it very easy. It's super intense, very vibrant, and it's going to give you a one swipe application. We're going to slowly go with the color above the crease and we're going to connect that to the wing. The product is super easy to use and it's so sharp. The pen liner, the felt tip in the liner is amazingly well designed and it is super convenient to use too. You can slowly extend the line out and connect that towards the end of the wing, and this is going to give you an eye lift and it's also going to define your eye. I think it's the perfect product to add it into your list for spring. So moving on to the Swiss Beauty 24/7 Passport Eyeshadow Palette, we're going to use this for a little bit of sparkle to highlight our inner corner. I'm using the champagne and highlighting it. The shimmers are to die for in this palette. It's so intense and very foiled. Next up, we're going to pick up the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette and I'm going to pick up the green eyeshadow for my lower lash line. We're just going to add a little bit of color to make the entire look to look more put together. So slowly apply that to the lower lash line. Moving on to the Swiss Beauty Precision Long Lasting Mascara, we're going to go ahead for around 2 to 3 coats of mascara. This is extremely lengthening and it gives you amazing volume without any clumpiness at all. It's waterproof as well and it's super comfortable on the eye too. The wand is very small and precise and it's more conical towards the tip, which helps you to get it into your lower lash line too. And now we're going to use the Swiss Beauty 3D Studio Effect lashes in the style Drama. These are my favorite pair of lashes and they work really well on hooded eyes. We're going to place the middle area and then I'm going to secure the corners. Make sure that you're placing it as close as possible towards your natural lash line. This looks very natural and it's very fluttery too. Now we're going to match up our eyes to our nails. I'm using the Slay Nail color and this is like a pistachio green. The finish of the nail polish is a glossy finish and you can just get intense coverage with just one swipe. You can add another layer if you want to make it completely opaque. It's such a beautiful color with a beautiful formulation. I would definitely recommend that you try it out. So this is the completed look and I hope you all enjoyed this one. Try it out for spring. It's going to be the best one and you can definitely try out the graphic liner too. It's such an amazing addition to your everyday wing liners. I hope you all enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more on Swiss Beauty. Until next time, bye bye.